Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to turn off time-sensitive notification on Snapchat. To do that, open your settings on your iOS device, then scroll down until you see Snapchat. Then tap on it, then in here you can see time-sensitive notification. So just disable this and it will be turned off on your iOS device. Well, time-sensitive notification on Snapchat refers to the notification that are sent to users for specific events or updates that are considered time critical or time bound. These notifications are designed to inform users about important or urgent content, such as breaking news, live events, limited time offers, or time limited feature. Snapchat may send time-sensitive notification to users to prompt time-bound content or to ensure users are aware of time-limited opportunities within the app. These notifications are intended to catch the user's attention and encourage immediate engagement. But some people choose to disable time-sensitive notification because time-sensitive notification can be disruptive and interrupt your focus or daily activities. Also, some users may prefer to limit the amount of personal information they receive or share through time-sensitive notification. And Snapchat's time-sensitive notification often highlight time-limited or exclusive content, which can lead to a feeling of content overload. And that's how to turn off time-sensitive notification on Snapchat. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!